this thing is rusty. What's up, guys? Rusty here. So I got some new stuff. It's called Evapo-Rust. We're gonna be trying it on my truck. The whole underneath side, this is the rear end, the whole underneath side is like this, and it's not pretty. I mean, I've seen worse. I have done worse actually, but we're just doing an example on the rear end. We're doing the whole truck frame, but this is just gonna be a good example because it's visible. So we're gonna be using this stuff. I'm not sure how good it is. So first we're gonna be pressure washing it to get rid of all of this hard stuff, and then we're going to be spraying Evapo-Rust in a water bottle. We'll be spray bottle. We'll be squirting it on there all over the frame, and then we're going to be waiting 30 minutes, and then we're going to be spraying it again, waiting another 30 minutes, and then we're going to be blasting it off, and hopefully it's straight metal, no rust. And obviously I'm not going to be doing it because I'm kind of lazy, so I'll just pay somebody a couple bucks to do it. So we'll get to it.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain.
So we are done pressure washing. We are filling up the rust. What is it called again? Evapo-Rust. Why are you screaming, man? You don't think I'm gonna put you on video? So we're gonna start spraying it, and I already got the rust protecting spray can. You know what I'm saying? So 4 probably won't be enough, but we'll see. Hopefully this Evapo-Rust works. We're gonna do half a gallon all over, and then we'll let it soak for 30 minutes, and then we'll do another half a gallon to remove the whole gallon on the frame, and then we'll pressure wash it again, and hopefully it's all Gucci, you know. So we have waited until it dried. We pressure washed it, and I mean, it kind of looks the same. I really cannot tell the difference. We're gonna go with a wire brush just in case, get some of the loose stuff off, whatever pressure washer didn't get. I mean, it still looks the same to me. It looks like the stuff didn't even help remove the rust, or I didn't do it right, so who knows. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up the car, start spraying it with this rust protector. So we'll get to it. We have finished spraying it down, and it looks pretty good. It really does. I mean, obviously better than it did. But what I'm wondering is this Evapo-Rust stuff work? Does it work? Like, I mean, it seemed like it loosened the rust a little bit, but their stuff says you have to soak it for 12 hours here and there I mean, that's a long time, and you need to soak objects in. If you need to do the whole underneath of a truck with this stuff, you need like at least a couple gallons, because you got to keep spraying it, refill, keep spraying it, and you got to do that for at least 12 hours. I mean, is that even worth it? I mean, I don't know, but I mean, we did it. So our steps was, we power washed it before we did the Evapo-Rust, sprayed the Evapo-Rust, waited 30 minutes, sprayed the Evapo-Rust, waited 30 minutes, and then the whole gallon was gone. We soaked it. I mean, soaked it with this stuff, and it was enough, and I thought, and then we power washed it again, and it seemed to come off a little bit. Some spots were actually coming off pretty good, the other spots not really. So does this stuff really work? I don't know. I mean, it probably helped a little bit, and if in a couple months the rust actually doesn't come back out, I will let you guys know. And this stuff actually does work if the rust doesn't come back out onto the paint, because my previous experience is I didn't use this stuff. All I did is clean off the rust a little bit and spray it with rust protection, this stuff. So I mean, this stuff is pretty good. I used it before. I mean, it seems like it helps the rust not to come back out of, you know, to the paint, to the frame and stuff like that. Yeah, so thanks guys for watching. This was my review, I guess, on the Evapo-Rust. I don't know. I did the truck. It looks good. I'm going to do my finishing touches. If you guys are wondering how I make the frame look really good, like the big long frame itself, is I get bed liner. You know, you spray the bed liner on top of, after you're done the rust protection, you get the spray can bed liner, and you spray it onto the frame. It looks really good. All the jaggedy edges and stuff that the rust leaves off, it like fills it in, so it looks really good. I appreciate it, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you do, you know, the same thing to your truck. Hopefully it comes out better. So